The Daily Crypto Catch by Kalkai Media is brought to you by Crossgate Capital. Crossgate Capital is a specialist investor in cryptocurrencies, a Kiwi company providing a smart way to invest in crypto through shares. Crossgate Capital's diversified portfolio includes Bitcoin, Ethereum and other leading cryptocurrencies. To learn more, simply visit www.crossgatecapital.co.nz. Hello there, Sage here. Great to have your company on Kalkai TV, and this is the Daily Crypto Catch brought to you by Crossgate Capital. So let's now catch up on some of the latest updates coming in from the crypto space. Beginning with Bitcoin. And Bitcoin, the digital asset markets bounced back this week after a difficult start to the new year, and Bitcoin ended the week up about 3%, while Ethereum and Binance-coin, being the second and third largest assets in the crypto space, being up 7% approximately and about 16% respectively. The price of Bitcoin has traded in a tight range between $44,000 and $40,000 US over the last 10 days. This period will have come as a relief to many investors after the sharp price drops and volatility caused havoc in the markets at the beginning of the year. The markets appear to be in a position where there is no new capital entering. However, most longer-term investors are unwilling to sell at these price levels. Volumes are currently paper thin in the crypto markets, and data from Brave New Coin's Bitcoin Liquid Index, which tracks the Bitcoin and US dollar trading volume from the top trusted exchanges such as Coinbase, Kraken and LMAX, reports that volumes in these markets are down about 84% since the start of the year. With money sitting on the sidelines and investors uncertain, this period appears to be the calm before the storm. A major news event in the coming weeks could trigger a sharp price movement in either direction. And one of these potential macro news events is an upcoming hearing on January 20th to be held by the United States House Committee on Energy and Commerce, titled Cleaning Up Cryptocurrency: The Energy Impacts of Blockchains. The Committee on Energy and Commerce is the oldest continuous standing committee in the US House of Representatives and is chaired by the Congressman Frank Pallone Jr. The subcommittee on Oversight and Investigations will participate in the hearing and is interested in learning more about the energy consumption of blockchains and the possibility that they may create energy consumption and environmental concerns for the future. According to the latest Cambridge Bitcoin Electricity Consumption Index data, the USA is the largest producer of hash rates, while Bitcoin.com lists the USA-based Foundry USA as the largest mining pool in the world. If American lawmakers take a negative stance on Bitcoin mining and decide it needs to be curtailed in the country, it could create short-term fundamental issues for the network, which are likely to be reflected in the price of Bitcoin. Similarly, if the subcommittee chooses to embrace the USA's position at the world's leading hash rate producer because of factors like its economic contribution and its potential to encourage renewable energy consumption, prices may rise after the meeting. In response to America's newfound position as the leading Bitcoin mining nation in the world after China's mining ban in the middle of 2021, the American mining industry formed the Bitcoin Mining Council, which has seen support from tech heavyweights like Michael Saylor and Elon Musk. So now let's move on to the top gainers and top losers for the past 24 hours. Top gainers are Cosmos Atom up 9.6% and Phantom up 9.08%, whereas the top losers are Oasis Networks Rose Crypto down 8.28% and Internet Computers ICPs down 5.72%. Thanks for your company on that one. That's all for today in the Daily Crypto Catch, but stay tuned to Kalkai TV for the latest market updates, business news and exclusive interviews. Sage signing off for now.